Hello everyone, my name is Dheeraj Gira and my today's topic is what is types of exception in Java. Throwable and there are in throwable there are two types, error and exception, and in exception there are runtime exceptions. Uh, all exceptions are all exceptions types are subclass of the built-in class throwable. Throwable is at the top of the exceptions class hierarchy. Below throwable are two subclasses that partition exceptions into two distinct branches, namely exceptions and errors. First, exceptions class is used to exceptional condition that user should catch it. It is used to create your own custom exceptions type. Runtime exception is a subclass of an exception. It is automatically defined for the program that you have write. Includes things such as the division by zero and invalid array indexing. It defines exception that are not expected to be the catch under normal circumstances by your program. Stack Overflow is the example of such an error. Types of exception: there are two types of exception in Java: checked and unchecked exceptions. Unchecked exceptions is a compiler does not check to see if the method handles or throw these exceptions, hence the name unchecked. They need to be included in any methods throws list. Then checked exception: compiler check whether these exceptions were handled in a method that must be included in a method throw list. Compiler errors occurs if these exceptions are not handled by methods. All exceptions types are a subclass of a built-in class throwable. Throwable is a top of the exception in a class hierarchy. Exceptions error are subclass of a throwable, and types of exception are unchecked and checked exception. Then exception is a event that occurs during the execution of a program, and execution of a program, the normal flow of the program's instruction. Bugs or errors that you do not want to restrict our program. Normally execution of a code are referred to as a exception. In this section we will in this section in this topic we will cover types of exception. That are first type is there are two types: built-in exception, built-in exceptions. First is a checked and